And the temperatures today and tonight actually reaffirming that, because tonight we're heading into the 50s. We're going to be in the low 50s as we head into tomorrow. So more warm winter days, and that is locally. We've seen 18 since 1970. And what about winter warming? How much warmer has it gotten since 1970? Well, 4.8 degrees. That definitely is global warming, which is no longer a debate. It's actually a discussion that we need to have on how to mitigate and how to adapt. This afternoon, clouds taking over, storm incoming already, and we're anticipating heavy rain, damaging wind, as we don't lose sight of that next storm that could potentially bring a little bit more of the same as we head into Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, right now we're dealing with temperatures on the freezing point of 32. Mostly cloudy out there. Bundle up. It is cold, even though you may see peaks of sunshine here and there. Current temperatures across the board in the 20s and 30s. Cloudy skies out there. We're seeing that storm incoming at the onset. Since the temperature will be cold enough, it will sustain also wintry weather, and that will rapidly be changing as we head into the overnight hours, and that will be turning into all rain event. And now that water will be seeping into the snow. The temperature that will be rising is what will be melting that snow already on the ground. Dry conditions behind that system. This is the next storm system that we are keeping an eye on for Friday night into Saturday. Futurecast 4 o'clock will be under some moderate to heavy rain. Let's move that clock to the 7 o'clock hour. We'll still be dealing with torrential downpours at a time. The evening commute, brace yourself, give yourself extra time, slow down. You'll definitely be with reduced visibility where those pockets of heavy downpours will be. Also, the wind is going to be picking up. We're going to be dealing with some pretty gusty winds out there of 50 to 60 miles per hour, and that is across our state. Along southeastern Massachusetts, those winds will be more intense. Dry conditions as of pre-dawn hours. This system could be exiting the area pretty soon. Wind advisory in effect as of this afternoon, and a high wind warning across the southeast. And that is why, this is why 50 to 60 miles per hour where everything's shaded in orange. And notice Cape and the Islands 60 miles per hour plus. What about the flood watch? Let me go back in here and show you the snow melt and the heavy rain. The combination will be giving way to all of this unsettled weather. What about the river flooding? We're going to be seeing the potential also across the Pawtucket. We're going to be seeing a major flood stage by tomorrow night, which means that overnight tonight it could be reaching the level of flood stage already. So we need to keep an eye on that. Coastal flood watch along the immediate coast and down south as well. Once the system is all said and done, we could be receiving around 2 inches of rain. That is the rain. That does not factor in the snow melt. And these are the temperatures for the rest of today into part of tonight. And look at that, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, that temperature of 52. Talk about global warming. Yes, those changes are in store, and this is what we can expect as we head into the weekend. We could be seeing a little bit more of the same, maybe not as intense, but it's still a few days away. Your 7-day forecast, a little bit of a breather Thursday, Friday. Kara?